Hi, my name is Evie Schwartz, and I'm the Employer Relations and Event Specialist for Engineering Career Services. Today, we'll be talking about preparing for the career fair. As many of you know, the ProReady initiative is the College of Engineering's commitment to preparing every student for career success. We in Engineering Career Services are dedicated to supporting the ProReady mission and here to serve students on their path to career. Today, we'll be going over the benefits of attending the career fair, how to prepare, how to make a positive impression, and the steps to take after the fair. So let's start with the benefits of attending the career fair. It's a great way to expand your professional network. And growing your professional network is one of the variables in the ProReady formula. You can receive advice from recruiters and hiring managers, learn about opportunities in the field and explore industry options, and increase chances for an interview by making a good first impression. So how can you prepare? First of all, update your resume and LinkedIn profile so that employers can see your recent positions and experiences. Tailor your resume, have a few employers that your resumes are specific for, and some resumes that are generic. For LinkedIn, make sure you have a professional profile picture and connect with companies you are interested in. Next, you can target and research the employers attending the fair. You can find out who is attending by looking at the event on Handshake. Dress professionally, practice your introduction, and outline questions. So, targeting and researching employers. As I mentioned, you can check who is attending the fair by looking at the event on Handshake. Identify 4 to 5 employers to focus on. So those would be the top 4 or 5 employers that you'd like to speak to at the career fair. Research those companies, so you can do so on Handshake, LinkedIn, Glassdoor, or just the company's career page. So prepare your elevator pitch. This is a brief, persuasive speech that you can use to introduce yourself and pitch your interesting, unique talent and skills. A good elevator pitch should last no more than 30 seconds, hence the name. Elevator pitches should be interesting, memorable, and succinct. So you'll start with the basics. So that's your name, major, and grade. Next, you'll go into your experiences and what you've been up to lately. Next, talk about what you want to do with your major, so your long-term career goals. And then you can discuss the company fit. So why would you be great for that company? And why are you interested in them? So here's an example. Hello, it's very nice to speak with you this morning. My name is Ralphie Buffalo. I am a senior environmental engineer graduating in May. I am currently looking for full-time employment in environmental consulting. I completed my senior capstone in wastewater treatment design, where I focused on the rapid mix and enhanced settling processes. After researching your company, I learned that your environmental group does a lot of work with wastewater, and I would love to hear more about their clients and projects. So this is a really great example where it talks about you first, Ralphie Buffalo, a senior environmental engineer graduating in May, what you've been doing. So this student has been working in wastewater treatment design. They're looking for a full-time position, and they researched the company and they know that they'd like to learn more about clients and projects. So this is a really great example of kind of that 30-second succinct elevator pitch. So next, how do you prepare and outline questions? First of all, consider education and employment. So something you can think about asking is what they look for employees and interns in terms of maybe their major or their employment history. You can ask about the work environment. So asking about something like, can you tell me about the work culture at blank company? General questions you can ask is something like, I saw you have an internship in blank. Can you tell me more about this position? Or what are the next steps? I'm very interested in learning more. How would you like me to follow up with you after the fair? The only thing I would suggest is not to ask questions that can be easily looked up on their website. Making a positive first impression. So make sure your name tag is visible when you check into the fair. You'll get that name tag. And then you can shake hands with the employer, smile, show you're interested, and maintain a confident and positive attitude. Be ready to respond to questions such as, tell me about yourself. Why did you choose CU Boulder? Why did you choose your major? What are your career goals? Why are you interested in this company? And how do you stand apart from other candidates? I'd suggest that you can prepare by writing out the answer to these common questions before the fair and practice your answers. So after you spoke with a company, kind of think about it. What impressed you about them? What concerns might you have? What additional follow-up questions do you have? And what are the next steps? You can jot down notes after you speak with an employer at the career fair. So steps for after the fair, follow up with people. Connect with them on LinkedIn, send a thank you note, so that can be a message or an email, but make sure you check your grammar and spelling. And then you can take action. Complete any instructions they give you, such as submitting an application. So Engineering Career Services is here to help. You can connect with us in our office, by email, online, or through our live chat. Thank you for listening, and we hope to see you at our next career internship fair.